final question here. Dia cakap sini, klinik saya sales very down. Only one staff. Modal tak banyak to go around. What's the best advice to improve sales? Okay, so different people ada different situation lah. Kalau you ada one staff, I would say congratulations. At least ada satu. At least ada satu. So you need to figure out with one staff, how do you actually improve things, at the clinic. Because at every stage in the business, dia ada certain activities yang you boleh buat lah. What is easier for you to do with one staff. Contohnya, kita cakap marketing ni ada dua bahagian, satu online, satu offline. Offline means you have to go out lah, buat outreach, buat event ataupun edar flyers and all that. So kalau you ada one staff, maybe the focus should be more on online. Sebab apa? Sebab dia boleh duduk dekat klinik untuk buat, buat poster ke, buat social media ke, create content and all that kan. Maybe they shoot you, you boleh buat. So jadi senang, resource dia tak keluar daripada office. Maybe bila you dah ada, the cash flow becomes better and you ada additional resource ataupun you dah ada masa untuk buat, then you can go and look at another strategy. Kita jangan tengok orang sangat. Kita tengok orang buat event, orang buat outreach, kita pun sibuk nak buat. Padahal kita ada satu staff kan, kita nak buat outreach, klinik kena tutup. So it doesn't make sense lah. It doesn't make sense. Jadi kita kena tengok apa strategi yang sesuai di mana kita berada. At what stage. So maybe to improve sales, maybe you can focus more on the online visibility first. Maybe later on baru kita boleh buat the offline punya initiatives and all that lah.